like still alive, bro. I think there's someone here. Someone. No! Shut up. I will beat you. Shut up. Oh my god, I didn't do anything. Mom! Mom! I said shut up. Yes. This is nothing. Come here. You shut up. Shut up. Yes. Yes. Come, I say. See. Some alive. See. I will beat you. I want you to put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Oh, you're running. I got you. Oh, you have a gun. Give me that gun. Baby, give me back. Give me that gun. Give me that gun. So alive. I didn't mean to. Shh. I didn't mean. I was joking. This is a prank. This is a prank. I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth. So alive. No, you wanted to steal. Steal. I'm watching. No, I will beat you. I will beat you. I will beat you. Don't ever come here, I'm telling you. Don't ever come here. I will beat you. This is meant to be a joke. I said this was meant to be a joke. Simala, you never guess you know I'm going and I will never come back. Please subscribe. I need your help. Okay.